Hey everyone, it's Joel with Dissecting DIY, and today we're going to go over the How to Tell Time wall decoration with Kreg Jig. My wife wanted one of these online, and just looking at it, I knew I could build it. So once I started making them, of course everyone in the family, friends wanted them. So now I've made quite a few of them. I'm up to about number 7, I think. So that being said, when I was online looking at how they were made, I really didn't like how they were made, which is why I thought to use a Kreg Jig. As you can see, that's right against the wall. I did that using the Kreg Jig and a keyhole bit with my router. It's a really compact design, and it's a really fun thing to make, especially if you have family and friends that love these things. You can make them for about 20 bucks, actually 18 bucks. So that being said, let's go get started. Hey everyone, so the project is finally completed. You'll notice that I still have some cleanup here. You just kind of take an eraser and any pencil lines that you made on the front, you can simply erase with an eraser once everything's dry. But other than that, it was another project that, while it takes some time and some attention to detail, isn't too hard to do. And with the right tools, you can get it done fairly quickly. With the wrong tools, you can still do it, but it's just going to take a little bit more time and effort. But we used the Kreg Jig setup because I do these boards are pretty tightly. I sand around all the corners to give this seam here, so it gets that you get that contrast on the back. You can see I've signed my name, but I use a drill that has a bevel, and what it will do is just make it so those screws sit flush. I really like the flush mount setup here. You can see I have a couple of blowouts with the screws, but that's okay. That just cleans up. But yeah, that is the how to build the how to tell time wall decoration with Kreg Jig. All right.